Hi guys, this is Tony. Low schedule change here. I have to do the remainder stuff here at Dittmar because something happened. But it's a personal matter, so I don't want to talk about it at all. So sorry about that. But we're just gonna have to get everything at Dittmar. And anyway, especially it doesn't matter. It's really too late to be in Beta now, but not here though. Here 61. There it is, and having Taco Bell as well. And that last car, there it is. And I got him give me a horn clip that. That's well done. There you go. Alright, so there goes Amtrak going by, and I'll say 2 more, so bye.